Imagine creating a full 3D animated story with just one simple prompt. No complicated editing, no jumping from one tool to another, and no need to generate images piece by piece. That's exactly what this free AI video generator does. Here is a video I created with this tool. It's not just another tool, it's a real game changer. With a free account, you instantly get 200 credits, which is more than enough to create your very first fully animated story from scratch. What makes this tool so powerful is its ability to generate long, consistent animations in one go. No need to create images one by one or struggle to animate them yourself. You can bulk generate all your images at once and then bring them to life with just a single click, something most other tools can't match. Unlike Hilo AI or Midjourney, where consistency is a challenge, this tool keeps your characters the same across every scene. It's smooth, fast, and honestly feels like magic. Today I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to start your very own 3D Kids animation channel without needing expensive software or years of animation experience. But before we dive into the tutorial, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on my upcoming tips, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so right now. Before we dive in, here's something you should know. AI-generated stories are one of the most reliable niches in YouTube automation. It's a gold mine that never goes out of style. Whether you're creating bedtime tales, fun science lessons for kids, history stories, or any type of storytelling content, the demand is always high and the returns are huge. Now let me show you how you can launch your own 3D Kids animation story channel in just one simple step: making your videos Motion AI. To get started with our story, head over to Motion AI using the link in the description below. Create your free account, log in, and you'll land right on the dashboard. The interface is clean and very easy to use, so you won't get lost. If you're on the free plan, you'll notice your 200 free credits displayed at the bottom left corner. Now to begin creating, simply click the Generate button. From here, you can make videos on absolutely any topic or theme you want. It's all up to your imagination. This is the stage where you choose the type of story you want to create. For this video, we'll go with a bedtime story. From the list of categories, simply click on the Bedtime Story option. Now, there are two main ways to create an animated story with this tool: Generate from Prompt and Use My Content. The first is by far the easiest. Generate from Prompt option. All you have to do is type your story idea into the box and the tool will automatically create the story for you. No need for scripts, prompts, or character images. For example, you could type in a 3D Kids animation story of a magical blanket. Just below the prompt box, you'll see a set of settings. Here, you can choose your language. We'll stick with English for this example. Decide if you want an AI character to narrate or present the story. We'll skip that for now. Pick your aspect ratio. 16:9 works best for YouTube. Select your video style. We'll go with 3D cartoon. Once you've adjusted those options, you're ready for the fun part: bringing your story to life. Simply hit the Generate button and the tool will do the magic for you. Once you hit the Generate button, Motion takes a few moments to process your command, and then it creates your complete story, scene by scene, with characters already assigned for each part. It's like having your own scriptwriter and director built into one tool. Here's the best part: if there's any scene you don't like, you don't have to redo the whole story. You can simply regenerate that specific scene until it looks exactly the way you want. Easy, right? When you're happy with all the scenes, click Next. This is where you add finishing touches. Give your story a title, a subtitle, and even a thumbnail. To make it look more professional, you can also add scene effects and transitions for a smooth, engaging flow. Now comes the narration. Motion has a wide selection of realistic voices, male, female, different tones, and accents. You can preview each one and choose the voice that matches your story best.
Life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're gonna get.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Once all your settings are done, hit composite and watch your full video come together like magic. After generation, Motion gives you a quick summary of your video, recommended hashtags for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. At this point, your video is ready to go. Just click download, choose MP4, and you're all set to share it with the world. That was our first method of creating an animation story, a simple test project. Now let's take it up a notch and create something more professional and unique. For this, we'll use the second method. use my content. To do this, we first need a well-crafted story. This is where the script builder comes in. Head over to ChatGPT and on the left sidebar, click on GPTs. In the search bar, type Hala Story, and from the drop-down list, select Hala Story, your animation script partner. This GPT is designed specifically to create polished scripts for animated stories. Start a chat and share your ideas. Make sure to mention that you want it written in a 3D kids animation for the best results. The tool will outline your characters and provide extra details. Add those, then hit generate. From there, ChatGPT will give you both the character details and the story setting. Continue in the same chat and ask it to break the story down scene by scene. This way, you'll get a complete, unique script that's ready to be brought into motion for animation. If you'd like your story written in a continuous flow, simply type "write the story in a flow" when chatting with ChatGPT. Once your script is ready, head back to Motion AI. Select bedtime story, but this time choose the Use My Content option. In the prompt box, paste the story you generated from ChatGPT. Just like before, adjust the settings, pick your preferred language, aspect ratio, and visual style. Then hit generate. Motion will take a few moments to process and create your complete story, broken down scene by scene. Go through each scene carefully and make adjustments if needed. Once you're happy, click Animate All to bring your story to life. For the best results, toggle on the high quality option and click OK. The animation process may take a few minutes, but once it's done, you can preview each animated scene individually. When you're satisfied, click Next to move on to the finishing touches. Here, you can add a title, subtitle, and thumbnail for your story. Include scene effects and transitions for a smooth, professional flow. Select a voiceover of your choice. Motion offers a variety of realistic male and female voices in different accents.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Hi there, if I'm not back in 5 minutes, just...
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.
Optionally, add background music to make your story even more engaging. Once everything is set, hit composite and watch as your animated scenes merge beautifully into a full video. After rendering, Motion provides a quick summary of your video, recommended hashtags for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. Give it a moment to finish processing, then preview your completed video.
A young boy named Kaito wakes up in his sunlit room on the morning of the 1-month anniversary of his father's death. He sat up quietly, reaching for a photo frame beside his bed. It showed him, his dad, and their dog Poppy, a fluffy cream-colored pup with a red scarf around his neck. Poppy, always alert, padded to his side and gently nudged his hand with a wet nose.
Finally, click Download, select MP4, and your animation is ready to be shared with the world. And that's it. If you want to turn your creative ideas into stunning animated videos without hiring a team or spending endless hours editing, Motion is the tool for you. Check out the link in the description below and start bringing your imagination to life today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next smart tool breakdown. I'll see you in the next one.